again. Oh, you punching your...
You hate that? Do you hate that?
It's already him there.
You're crazy. You're crazy. You see this? Okay. It's like he's so mad to me. What is he?
Sad baby. Happy baby. Sad baby.
Started fishing.
No. No.
Sorry.
No. No.
Okay, sorry.
No. No.
Sorry.
Mama.
Filming now?
Give it to mommy.
Here, give it back. Is that good? Now do it again, Dolores.
Can I have it back?
Let Daddy have it.
Give it to Dada.
Let Daddy have it. Daddy have it? Here, baby. Daddy's sorry. We just want to see you get a little growly mad.
Give it to mommy.
Give it to mommy.
What you want? Hmm? Oh, and then what happened? No way. Oh my goodness, how did that make you feel? Oh, no way. Oh, bless you. And then? Oh, that sounds awful. That is such a sad story.
Do it again, because I missed the first part.
Hello.
Hi there. There's that pretty face.
I love my daddy. He makes me smile. She's hungry. Oh, those fingers taste good. Daddy time. What's he doing? Is he mocking you?
Here comes. Wait, that.
Just one?
That's it? That's all you got? Make it bubbles.
Put her on her belly again. I want to see her jump for you. That's really cute.
What are you doing?
I'm trying.
Where are you going? Hey. Oh.
That was really cute. She's trying really hard to do something.
Oh, Pumpkin. You know I just joking around with you. Oh, you're okay. You're fine.
Do it again.
You're fine. All right.
Oh my god.
Are you mad at Daddy? Watch him! Watch him! Okay, buddy. What are you doing? Attack the daddy. Attack the daddy. Attack the daddy. Attack the daddy, Papa. Attack the daddy, Papa. Attack the daddy. Attack him. Ugh, not the nose. There goes the nose again. Get us something for noses. No, do it again. Do it again. But you know, more nasty.
Oh yeah? Hey, none of that. What are you doing? No. I love you. I love you.
Andrew, be nice. Gentle.
Why aren't you helping?
This is more fun.
Take a picture for video.
Video?
Oh, it's not here. No hair.